Good morning to all. I am Pawan Kumar, grade 3, subject mathematics, chapter 2, addition. Chapter 2, addition. My practice time 3. My practice time 3. Our section is add the following. Fifth Roman, add the following. A part 1629 plus 3165 plus 4153. These are all 4-digit numbers. First term, second term, third term. We add 3 terms. Solution. First, we arrange 3 numbers. 1629. The next one, 3165, second number. Then third one, 4153. 4153. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. First we add ones place. Step 1, add ones. Add ones. Here ones place is 9, 5, 3. 9, 5, 3. 9 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Next 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. We take the place value for the number 17. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. 7 ones having and then 1 tens having. Ones, 7 ones right in ones place. 7 ones right in ones place. And next balance. 1 tens carry out to the tens place. 1 tens carry out to the tens place. Next we add the tens place. Step 2, add tens. Carry out the number 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 5. Listen here, we add the tens place. 1 tens plus 2 tens plus 6 tens plus 5 tens is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. take the place value for number 14. We take the place value for number 14. Tens, hundreds. Add tens. 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 14. That means 14 tens. 14 tens. 4 tens and 100 ones. 14 tens means 4 tens and 100 ones. Write the number 4 in tens place. Write the number 4 in tens place and carry over the number 1 to hundreds place. Carry over the number 1 in hundreds place. The next we add the hundreds place. Step 3. Add hundreds. Add hundreds. Our hundreds place is carry over the number 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 12. Listen, 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. That means 9 hundreds. That means 9 hundreds. 9 hundreds writing hundreds place. Next we go to the thousand place. Step 4. Next we add the thousands. Thousand place is 1 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 means 8,000. So our answer is 8,947. The next one, B part. Add the following 4-digit numbers. Our B part is 3,829 plus 3,829 plus 1,065 plus 1,072. Listen here. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms having. The first one is 3,829 plus 1,065 plus 1,072. This are all 4-digit numbers. We add 3 4-digit numbers. Solution. Arrange the numbers vertically. 3,829, 1,065, 1,072. The first number 3829. Then second one 1065. Third one 1072. First you write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Let's add ones. Our ones place is 9 plus 5 plus 2. 9 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 40. 40 plus 2 is equal to 16. 9 plus 5 is equal to 40. 40 plus 2 is equal to 16. We take the place value for number 16. 6 ones, 1 tens. 6 ones, 1 tens. 6 ones writing ones place. And then number 1 carry over to the tens place. The number 1 carry out to the tens place. Next we go to step 2, tens place. Add tens. Add tens. Here 2 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens plus carry out to the 1 tens. 1 tens plus 2 tens plus 6 tens plus 7 tens is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Next 9 plus 17. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. That means 60 tens. 60 tens. We take the place value 6 tens and 1 hundreds. This are not tens. So 16 tens having 6 tens and then 100. 6 tens write in tens place and then 100 is carry over to the 100 place. 100 is carry over to the 100 place. Next we add the hundreds place. Step 3. Now we add hundreds. Hundreds value 1 and 800s, 0 hundreds, 0 hundreds, 0 is nothing. So carry out 100 plus 800 plus 0 plus again 0 is equal to 1 plus 8. 100 plus 800 is equal to 900. Is equal to 900. 900 right in hundreds place. So next we have 1000 place. 3000, 1000, 1000. Step 4. Add thousands. 3000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 5000. 5000. Our answer is 5966. 5966. Next property. Next one, properties of addition. Properties of additions. When we add any two numbers, the sum does not change even if we change the order of numbers. Properties of additions. We have three properties. First one, order of numbers. Then second one, number itself. Then third one, successor. The first one is order of numbers. Then second one is number itself. Then third one, successor. So first one, order of numbers. So what is the order of numbers? When we add any two numbers, sum does not change. Our answer is does not change. Even if we change the order only. For example, 2643 is the first number plus 1024 is the second number is equal to 1024 plus 2643. Listen. Here the first term is 2643. Here second term is 2643. Here second term is 1024. Here first term is 1024. That means your first term is equal to the second term. Then second term is equal to the first term. So order only change. Here left hand side, the first one and second one is equal to right hand side. The second one is 2643. The second term is 1024. We add two numbers, 3667. 3667. Our answer is same, but order is different. Our answer is same, order is different. That means 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is also 9. Here order only change. 4 and 5. The number 4 and 5 only change. The answer 9 is same. That is called the order of numbers. Then second one, when we add 0 to a number, the number is itself. The number is itself. That means we add any number with 0, the answer is itself. We add any number with 0, the answer is itself. The next one, third point, successor. Successor means plus 1. When we add to a number 1, the sum is successor of the number. For example, 2340 plus 1. 2341 to successor of 2340. Successor means plus 1. 2340 plus 1 is equal to 2341. The next one. (314) plus dash is equal to 314. 314 plus dash is equal to 314. This is zero property. 340 plus 0 is equal to 314. Our answer is here 0. The next one. 1265 plus 1. 1265 plus 1. It is a successor. You want to successor of 1265. 1265 plus 1 is equal to 1266. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then C, 3210 plus 1002 is equal to dash plus 3210. See the left side. Here left hand side is the first term is equal to the second term of the right hand side. So our second term of the left hand side is equal to the first term of the right hand side. Second term is 1002. It is a order of numbers, order of property. Order only change. Left hand side 3210 plus 1002 is equal to right hand side 1002 plus 3210. Both values equal. Yeah, our answer is the same. Dash plus 1 is equal to 1578. Dash plus 1 is equal to 1528. It is a successor of 1577. So 1577 successor means plus 1 is equal to 1578. It is a successor property. The next one, 0 plus dash is equal to 4275. 0 plus dash is equal to 4275. It is a zero property. So our answer is 4275. We add any number with 0, our answer is itself. Next one, estimated sums. Estimated means approximate value. Approximate value is called the estimation.
Let us understand the meaning of estimate followed by how sums are estimated. To estimate means to know the possible amount. The actual number may be more or less than our estimate. For examples, on observing the candy jar, we can estimate that there are about 150 candies in the jar. While estimating sums, we round off the numbers first and then add. Look at the example. Estimate the sum of 415 and 214 to the nearest tens. The numbers are rounded off to the nearest tens. 415 is rounded off to 420. 214 is rounded off to 210. Now, adding 210 to 420 gives 630. Thus, the estimated sum is 630. Let us see another example. Estimate the sum of 1,235 and 1,695 to the nearest hundreds. The numbers are rounded off to the nearest hundreds. 1,235 is rounded off to 1,200. 1,695 is rounded off to 1,700. Now, adding 1,200 to 1,700 gives 2,900. Thus, the estimated sum is Did you know that we can access long distances by using estimation? The estimated distance from Earth to Sun is 150 million kilometers. The estimated distance from Earth to Moon is 384,403 kilometers.
Next one. My bat is time 4, 7. My bat is time 7. First one, estimated the sums nearest hundreds. Estimated the sums nearest hundreds. A part 523 plus 154. 523 plus 154. You want to estimate it nearest hundreds. Estimated nearest tens. You want estimated nearest tens. Solution. Five hundred and 23, you want the rounded value, and then 154. Here also you want to rounded value and then estimated. Estimated means plus. Estimated the sum nearest 10. Nearest 10. Already you know that the rounded numbers. Already you know the rounded number nearest 10. That means 523 ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. We want to nearest 10, want to nearest 10, ones, tens, hundreds. We want to nearest tens. So consider the number 2. Consider the number 2. The ones place is 3. Ones place is 3. So ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Commits ones and tens place will be 0. Ones and tens place will be 0. Otherwise no change. So here ones place is 3. Ones place is 3. No change in ones place. So ones place is 0 and tens place is 2 and 100 place is 5. That means 523 rounded value is 520. 520. Listen here. Consider ones place. Here ones place is 3. The ones place is less than 5 means ones place will be 0 and no change in ones and hundreds place. Here ones and hundred place is 5, 2. 5, 2. So 5, 2 no change. The ones place will be 0. Our rounded value of 523 is equal to 520. The next one 154. Nearest 110. Nearest 10. We consider the ones place. 154. We consider the ones place. Here ones place is 4. The ones place is less than 5 means ones place will be 0 and then no change in ones, tens and hundred place. Tens place 5 and 100 place 1. Tens place 5 and 100 place 1. Now we add 2 tens, 520 plus 150. 520 plus 150. My bat is times 7. Estimated the sum nearest tens. Estimated the sums nearest tens. A part 523 plus 154. 523 plus 154. 523, the rounded value. We want to nearest 10. Want to nearest 10. Nearest 10 means we consider the number 3. We consider the number 3 because 3 is a ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds. The ones place is 3. Ones place is, our relation is ones place. Less than 5 means ones place will be 0. Ones place will be 0. And then no change in tens place and hundred place. No change in tens place and hundreds place. Next one, 154. 154. We want to rounded value. Ones place is 4. Ones place is less than 4 means, less than 5 means, ones place will be 0 and no change in tens and hundred place. So rounded value is 150. 523 rounded value 520. 154 rounded value 150. Now sums nearest tens, that means we add two numbers. 520 plus 150 is equal to 520 plus 150. We add two numbers, 520 plus 150 is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So our answer is 670. Listen here. 523, the rounded value is 520. 154, the rounded value is 150. We add two numbers, 520 plus 150 is equal to 670. Thus the estimated is 670. Thus the estimated is 670. Next B part. $516 plus 916. Solution. You want nearest 10. Nearest 10. Nearest tens. 516. Our first number is 516. Then second one is 916. The rounded off 516 is equal to, we consider the number 6. The ones place is 6. Ones place is greater than 6 means we add plus 1 with tens place. Greater than 6 means, greater than 5 means we add plus 1. That means 560 ones, tens, hundreds. Here ones place is 6. So ones place will be 0 and then plus 1, add plus 1 with tens place. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. No change in 100 place. So rounded value is 520. Here 960. We want the nearest 10. So rounded value is 920. 920 because it is a greatest number, greatest of 5. So plus 1 with tens place, plus 1 with tens place. Here tens place value is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. No change in 100 place. So our answer is 920. The rounded value is 920. You want to add both numbers. 520 plus 920. 520 plus 920. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So our answer is 1440. 1440. Next is C part. You want the nearest 10. Nearest tens. 284, the first number. 782, the second number. Nearest tens. 284, nearest 10. 84, nearest 10 means 80. And 782. 82, nearest 10 means 80. 82, nearest 10 means 80. Estimated sum is 280 plus 780. 280 plus 780. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 8 plus 8 is equal to 60. 6. Carry out number 1. 8 plus 8 16. We write the 6. Carry out number 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So our answer is 1060. Our answer is 1060. Next we go to the second problem. Nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. $624 plus 317. Want to nearest 100. Nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. The first term is 624. Then second term is 317. 624 and 317. Want to nearest 100. 624. 624. Here tens place is 2. So rounded value of 100. 600. Next one, 317. Tens place is 1. So rounded value is 300. Rounded value is 300. Therefore, estimated sum is equal to 600 plus 300. 600 plus 300. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Balance 2 0. We add two numbers 600 plus 300. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 0. 6 plus 3 9. So answer is 900. The next one B part. 530 plus 283. You want the nearest hundreds. 513, 283. The rounded of 513 is equal to, your tens place is 1, so 500. Tens place is 1, so 500. 513 nearest rounded value is 500. The next one 283. Here tens place is 8, so rounded value is 300. Tens place is 8, rounded value is 300. Estimated sum is 500 plus 300. 500 plus 300. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So the answer is 800. The next one, C part. Listen here. The first part is 424 plus then second part is 139. We want to nearest hundreds. 424. The nearest value is 400. Then 139. 139. The rounded value is 100. 139 rounded value is 100. We want plus. So estimated sum is equal to 400 plus 100. 400 plus 100. Zero plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So our answer is 500. Our answer is 500. The next one, homework part. My practice type 4, C, D, E, F. Next, my practice type 7, F, G, H, I. The second round, D, E, F, G, H, I. Listen here, our homework part. My practice time 4. First round, C, D, E, F. The next one, my practice time 7. First Roman, D, E, F, G, H, I. The second Roman, D, E, F, G, H, I. Thank you to all.